Lately, I've been spending lots of hours by myself, in my room, studying or working. And it's hard. I miss some things that used to make me feel alive, like traveling or doing crazy things with my friends. So, since it's finally summer, come with me and let's enjoy life together again.
Osynlig för blotta ögat, men med påtaglig närvaro, dansar gryfröken.
We are at the airport. We are going to Corfu, Greece.
Då dansar gryfröken. Påtaglig och vacker, iklädd ljusgrå slöja, dansar gryfröken.
Did you really think things went that well? No. Life's not perfect, but that's part of the fun. So here's the part of the trip that I was not showing you because everything was beautiful.
Ariadna, ¿dónde estamos?
Estamos en el aeropuerto de Barcelona, aeropuerto del Prat. Anàvem les grans. I ens dirigim cap a Corfu.
¿Cómo se llama la ciudad?
Corfu,
No.
Grècia.
No, Capataquia.
Capataquia. Ah, sí?
No.
Joder.
Es que no sale ahí,
No se llama Capataquia. Hola. Vaya hostia, que futuro la cámara.
Nos vamos a morir, básicamente. Nos vamos a morir, ¿no?
Aquí en Grècia, què farem aquest matí no se sap.
We're here in Corfu town.
Ei, com li haries a la Lluïsa. Quins collons, no?
Use. I show you the picture.
Today was a calm day and we lost our bus. So we are waiting for someone to pick us up.
What the fuck? Estàs parlant en francès?
In English. You are doing autostop. I hope someone pick us up on their car and we'll get home early. Let's see how much we have to wait. Now it's 10 past 6 p.m. Still waiting. We got in a car with some Greek guys from Athens and we are just going home. We stopped because they want to get something to eat, but we are on our way and we're happy. So yeah, that's it. We got So that's it, that's our trip, and I hope you like the video. Actually, I want to film more videos like this one and create them because I really enjoy it. So if you want me to go to any place, just leave a comment and I will try to get there. I have a year to travel and have fun, so yeah, just tell me. And if you want to do something with me somewhere, that too. So yeah, that's it. Bye, I hope you like the video and enjoy your life. Bye.